Hello guys, welcome back and thanks for watching. So as I said yesterday, today I'll be introducing you to an application that is going to help you dictate plagiarism. So it's very important. It's something that I've been using. Even if you downloaded a document from the internet, you can use this application to dictate if it's plagiarism free, or you can use the application to edit the document and get it plagiarism free before submitting your assignment for grading. So it's a very important application I would like to share with you. So as you all know, I am Joel Ara and this is my world. So stay tuned. I'll just turn my camera and show you what I mean on my computer. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So yeah guys, as you can see, this is the face of my computer. So what I want you to do is to go straight to your Google Chrome or Firefox if you have any of them. Double click on it, it's going to open, and so you can see I have so many websites well saved, and the name of this application or website that I want you to save so you can use it to edit your documents is plagiarismchecker.net. plagiarismchecker.net. So I am just going to type plagiarism check here, plagiarism check, and you can see a whole lot of plagiarism documents have been found, and you see plagiarism checker, which is free, accurate percentage. So if I click on this one, it's going to open. So this is what I'm talking about. Sorry, plagiarismdetector.net. plagiarismdetector.net. So this, I'm just going to close this pop-up. So in order for you to save this website, all you need to do, this is where you can copy your documents in place. Okay, you can put your written assignment here, and you click here, it's going to check the plagiarism. So the first thing we want to do is to save this website. Now here, if you want to save the website, you see, follow my my mouse, which is here, and if we copy here, copy this one, we copy, then you open on a new tab. So if we click the plagiarism check, you see that it's going to open. Okay, so you see plagiarism checker, copy and paste your text below in the text box. So you scroll down, you see here, you can copy anything, paste here, and it's going to automatically check, which is when you copy and paste, you click check plagiarism. So it's not only going to check plagiarism, but it's going to check the accuracy of the document. Now let's try one document and see how it goes. So in order for us to try one document, I'm just going to minimize this, then I'll go to my documents, to my PC, and I go to download. These are mostly assignments from students during the the grading, peer assessment assignments. You need to download, save before you can read, and then you give your peer review. So now let's say we go to written assignment 19, and I open that. In order for it to be plagiarism free, if at all it is, this is University of the People, and it's English, blah blah blah. So I need to copy this. Okay, I copied it. Oh, sorry, I need to, okay, close. I need to copy this, copy, and again minimize, then go to here, and you just have to paste it here and scroll down, then you check plagiarism. I click on check plagiarism. So it's now checking if the document is free from plagiarism or not. And in order for you to know if this document is free from plagiarism, all you need to do is to wait. Okay guys, so we are here. So look here, detecting 50%, and it shows here 0% unique and 0% plagiarized. So here, okay, so it shows 100%. Let me zoom it up. You see here, it shows 100% unique and 0% plagiarized. So it therefore means that this document is very safe, and it's very unique. And you see the number of words, you see the sentences, and you see the speak time. So it shows that this document is very unique, and it's good and very great document. Now, okay, so we have to go back now and copy a document that is being plagiarized and see how we can make it unique in this application. So guys, that's it for today. In our next video, I'll be showing you how a document that is being plagiarized, a document that is plagiarism not free, and how you can make it unique. So actually you can automatically get a document from the website, or you can get a document from your friend and you make it unique using this application. So tomorrow I'll be uploading another video on how to get a plagiarized document unique. So it's just a couple of steps, and I am going to walk you through these steps. So stay tuned. If you're new here, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to share. I still remain your humble student and your humble student ambassador. My name is Joel Ara, and this is my world. So thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.